In a small town, a curious kid named Timmy asked his teacher, "How do volcanoes work?" The teacher, Mr. Smith, explained, "Well, Timmy, it's like a soda bottle. Pressure builds up until it explodes." Timmy's eyes widened. "So volcanoes are like giant burps?" Mr. Smith chuckled. "In a way, yes." Timmy ran home, excited to share his newfound knowledge. At dinner, he announced, "Mom, did you know volcanoes are Earth's burps?" His mom laughed. "Well, let's hope Earth doesn't have indigestion." Remember, laughter is the best eruption. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.